Hello, everyone. Oula. My name is Inès Benghezal. I'm a software engineer at YellowScan, and today I'm going to introduce the new bundled solutions of the YellowScan CloudStation and its new features. So for those of you who don't know the YellowScan CloudStation, it is an evolutive and user-friendly software, point cloud processing software. It allows you to generate point clouds from your raw LiDAR data, and also it allows you to visualize and inspect your point clouds in depth. One of the particularities of the CloudStation is that you can have multiple flights or acquisitions in a single project. So the existing modules of the CloudStation are these. So the first one, we have the strip adjustment module that allows you to enhance the accuracy of the point cloud by adjusting points that come from different flight lines. Then we have the terrain module that allows you to classify your points to ground or non-ground points. So again, like Tristan said earlier, if you want all your vegetation gone, you can just, in one click, remove all the points that are considered non-ground, and you can study the terrain after that. Then we have the colorization module that allows you to colorize your point cloud from simultaneous LiDAR and camera acquisitions. And when you're done processing all of your point cloud, you can go to the export module that allows you to export your point cloud in LAS or LAS format, and also export any kind of digital model. Now, up until now, we used to sell the CloudStation as a core software with additional features or modules. But with new features coming, we thought it best to give better options and clearer options. So we've introduced bundles. So it's like a package solution of the CloudStation. So we have the three simple options here. We have the CloudStation Essential that is pretty much like the core CloudStation that we used to have, that allows you to generate your point cloud and export your data. After that, we have the CloudStation Pro bundle that gives you more features to enhance your point cloud before exporting it. And at the end, we have the CloudStation Ultimate bundle that has pretty much everything else that I will present a little bit later. So why did we choose to go with bundles? Well, first, it is a clearer software offer, so you don't have to buy additional modules for each new feature. And since you have just to select one bundle, you don't have to worry about new features added to purchase them, so you just have them immediately in your bundle. And of course, you have, well, it's more features for a cheaper solution. So I know we've teased a lot of new features today, so I'm just going to start with the long-awaited orthophoto generation. So here you're in the CloudStation and you want to generate an orthophoto from simultaneous LiDAR and camera data. You have, at the same export sidebar that we used to have, a new option where you can select to generate your orthophoto. You can select whatever camera module you have, whether it's an external one or an embedded one. And again, just like the other features, you just press on the yellow button, and you have your orthophoto. Now, the big differentiator of our orthophoto generation algorithm is that unlike other softwares, we use both images and LiDAR data, which can give you better accuracy. So another particularity is that the orthophoto we generate has a transparent background, so you can immediately import it in a third-party software or immediately into a map. Next up, we have ground control points visualization. So up until now, we used to have ground control points in the strip adjustment module, so they were used to help adjust your point cloud, but a lot of our users also told us that they wanted to be able to see them and use them in many other ways. So now, in the CloudStation, you can import any set of GCP and select whether they are tie points, checkpoints, or points of interest, sorry. After that, I'm going a little fast here because there are multiple features and not a lot of time to show them all, but you can check out the technical track right after that to test all of these features. Now we have online point cloud export. So for now, in the CloudStation, when you want to export your point cloud, you could do it only on your local disk. But now we've introduced the possibility to export into a third-party provider. So instead of selecting the folder where you want your point cloud to be exported, you just select which provider you have. You can log in immediately within the CloudStation and just click on the yellow button, and you have all your files being exported on the cloud. So for now, we've integrated Attis Cloud as a first point cloud provider service, but others will soon come. Next, we have the cut overlap algorithm. So the cut overlap is a method among many other methods for point cloud enhancement. The idea is to select the best points in a spot where there are points coming from different flight lines. And that's pretty much it for this feature. We don't have much to say about. Next, and you might have seen it earlier, we have the manual water classification. So when you're using a bathymetric LiDAR, once you've extracted all your echoes, the CloudStation goes through a water classification algorithm, and once it's done, you can see the results, and if there are some mistakes, well, you can immediately add different constraints and refresh, and the CloudStation will classify again, taking into account the new constraints you've added. And once you're happy with your results, you can just have your new point cloud. Now, all of these features, again, are integrated into the CloudStation, but some people might want this whole process to be automated. So we've introduced now in the Ultimate bundle the new YellowScan toolkit, or YTK. So it's like exactly what you have in the CloudStation, but it's a command line application. So you have everything the CloudStation can do, but you can just create a script that launches everything sequentially. And there you go. So these are the big features of this year. All of them will be released this month, but the CloudStation evolves continuously, and we do release a new version of the CloudStation each month. So no matter what bundle you have chosen, you will always have new features each month, and so this year we didn't do only this, but we've also added postpack and inertia integration for trajectory refinement, colorization from Orthophoto, automatic event generation, and so on and so on. And I'm not gonna say them all because there are a lot of pretty cool features that come during the year. And so in conclusion, yeah, the CloudStation is constantly evolving, and we are constantly listening to our users to know what to add each month to help simplify, make life easier for each user. So that's it for me. Thank you very much for your attention, and